The foundation I'm going to be using is the Antonym Skin Esteem, right? I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I got a couple different colors, so I did swatches on myself before I shot this video. And what I found is the color that matches me is just a little bit lighter looking inside the bottle, and when I first initially put it on my skin. And I do have to say that it oxidizes really quickly, and it does a wonderful job of just blending beautifully right into my skin. So I'm just starting right in the center of my face. The foundation is light and it's definitely buildable to a medium coverage. Okay, lovely. All right, and then the other color that I have is I have the same Skin Esteem. This is dark. And what I want to do is, because I always love to do this with my makeup, is you know, whether I use a bronzer, contour, a cream, I like to contour the top of my forehead. So I really like this foundation. It's a really great color for this effect that I'm going for. So I just want to hit it right on the top of my forehead, and I'm doing this because I tend to get much darker there. I like to have nice structure and a nice shape to my face. So doing it in layers is the way that I like, so that looks super natural and doesn't start breaking down. Next is eyebrows. I'm just gonna take my medium brown Antonym, brush it through, and I'm gonna go and find my shape. I like to start right at the front of the brows. This has got really great color payoff, so I don't have to go very hard here. I just really lightly and then I'll just go flip, and I have my spoolie, and then I just start building up that shape. There we go, looks nice. I'm going to be using the Baked Foundation Medium Beige, and I'm going to do this, use this to set all of my cream products that I have on right now. And so I'm using the Antonym No. 2 brush. All right, and I'm just going to, and this is great because the Baked Foundation you can absolutely use alone if you just want a quick makeup application. You know, you conceal, put the Baked Foundation on, and it looks beautiful by itself. But I really do love the Skin Esteem Foundation, so I use that first. And I also wanted to get a little bit extra coverage too. The one I just used is Baked Foundation in Medium Beige. The one I'm going to be using now is the Baked Foundation in Dark. So I'm going to be using the dark to contour my face and give me some shape. That same angled brush I used to do the Skin Esteem, the dark color on my forehead, I'm going to be using that. That is the No. 3. And I'm just going to, again, with this, my forehead, and the whole thing is you want to kind of bring it up right into your ear. Just a little bit on my jaw. I'm going to do my contouring on my eyes using the same color. So this is like, I'm using it as my eyeshadow. It's definitely like a multi-use product, which I love. This is the No. 18 brush here. And I'm just going to start off and just press this right onto my lid. And I'm going to slowly start building up the color just right into the top of my brow. Since my eyes are round, I want to give my eyes a bit more of like a sultry look, like pull it out just a little bit more. So I'm just gonna take the flat part of my brush and I'm just ever so lightly glide right over the outer part of my brow bone. And this will be just like that initial mapping out of my shape of my eye look. And I just want to do a little bit of the same color just right on the outer corner, lower outer corner. And then I'm just going to take the number 10 brush. It's one of those, you know, rounded, shaped, dome-shaped brushes, which I feel like is really great, and it doesn't have any hard edges. It really helps to diffuse things for you. So